Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the language on the OmeTV app. First, open the OmeTV app on your phone. Once the app is open, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Now you'll see the settings menu. At the top, you'll find the language option, which shows your current language. Tap on Language. Now, select the language you want to use from the available options. Once you select a language, the app should update the language settings. That's it. You've successfully changed the language on the OmeTV app. If you don't see the language you want, make sure you're using the latest version of the app, as available language options can vary. This video is made for educational purposes based on online data, not personal experience. Settings and available language options may vary depending on your OmeTV app version, device, and region. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Android tips, app tutorials, and tech guides. See you in the next video.